Welcome back everyone. In this section we will log out the user. This is actually a very simple task. So, first we need to go to the URL s.py file and define our required URL path. Although we had disabled the logout URL path in the previous tutorial section. In the last tutorial section, we disabled this login URL path because we did the login on the home page. If you want to manage the login on a separate page, you need to enable it. But now we will enable the logout URL path and disable the login URL path. Now, let's implement some logic in the logout view function in the views.py file. Now, let's remove the past text and implement the logic we need here. So, type logout here and pass the request parameter. Actually, we had already imported this logout class in the last tutorial section. Hopefully we remember that. If you want to see the last tutorial, you can click on the I button, although I have also given the link to the last tutorial section in the description box. So, now let's show a message. I'm showing this message because I want to give the user a confirmation that they have successfully logged out. Then I will redirect the user to the home page, where the user will see the login form again. So, our logout in the views.py file is done. It's pretty simple, right? Now, we need to go to the navbar.html page because here we need to integrate the logout feature. Now, here we need to provide some logic. For example, if the user is already logged in, then the user needs to be shown the logout link to log out. So, to do that, we will first use the Django tag and inside it we will have to check if any user is already logged in or not. So type if user.is authenticated. So, this statement will check if any user is already logged in or not. Now, replace the link text and type logout here. We also need an else statement now because if there is no user already logged in, then we need to show the login form that we managed on the home page. Right? So, type else in Django tag. Now we need to close the if statement, otherwise I'll forget again. So, type end if. Actually this Django tag is a bit of a hassle to write. I don't know how you feel about it. However, now let's show the login link in the else statement. Because as I said earlier, this else statement basically shows the login link when the user is not logged in. So, let's copy this logout code. And now, paste this copied code after the else statement. And write login instead of logout text.